Hello beautiful lovers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Women Unique and Henna Designs. Today we are diving into the captivating world of unique and Henna designs, practically focusing on the artist that woman brings in this action. Henna with the origins trekking back countries continue to hold a special place in culture, ceremonies, celebrations and everyday enjoyments. One of the most fascinating aspects of Henna arts in the shade diversity of designs that exist, each reflecting the rich culture, heritage and personal style of the arts. What makes women Henna designs so unique in the incredible actions to detail, the fidelity of line and the incorruptions of magnification symbol and motifs. From geometric patterns to floral motifs, from traditional bridal designs to contemporary inspirations, women have been pushing the boundaries of Henna artistry in focusing their creations with an crafty. It's not just about decorating hands, it's about storytelling, self-expressions and celebration femininity. For me, Henna is more than just a form of decoration. It's a way to contend with my roots, to honor my culture, heritage and to express myself. Articles, each designs I create carriers are pieces of my identity and speaks to the stories woven in the fabric of my life. Watching these skilled artists and work is truly mesmerizing. The passion and passion they pour into each story are avoidant in the final masterpiece, but behind the artist's aesthetic appeal, there are deeper significations to women Henna designs. Henna is just about beautifying the Henna designs. It's about improvements. It's about celebration to space for women, creativity, extending their culture identity and embracing their individuality in a world where women voices are often. Henna becomes a powerful form of expressions, a silent yet unique declarations of strength and resilience. And with that, we come to end of today's explanations, exploring into the enchanting world of women unique and Henna designs. We hope you enjoyed this journey as much as we have. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep celebrating the beauty and diversity of art in all its forms. Bye for now.